In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish your Lovable website in 2026. Quick and easy guide. First, open Lovable and head to the specific app or project you want to take live. Make sure you're looking at the correct project, especially if you manage multiple sites. This is a great moment to quickly review your pages, images, and settings. Use the preview to confirm everything looks the way you expect, check for typos, and verify that your main navigation works. A quick scan now can save you from republishing later. Once you're confident, look to the upper right corner of the Lovable interface and select the Publish option. Here you'll decide where your site will live on the web. You have two choices: use a custom domain that you already own, or go with a free Lovable domain. If you choose a custom domain, make sure you have access to your domain registrar so you can point the domain to Lovable. Lovable typically provides clear DNS instructions, often using a CNAME or similar record. After saving those records, it can take a little time for changes to propagate across the internet, so don't worry if it doesn't appear instantly. If you prefer the free Lovable domain, just pick a clean, memorable subdomain. Keep it short, descriptive, and easy to spell, and confirm it's available. Lovable will handle the hosting and security, including HTTPS, so you get a secure link without extra setup. With your domain choice in place, click Publish. Lovable will start building and deploying your site. You may see a brief progress indicator while assets are optimized and pages are prepared for delivery. The first publish can take a bit longer than subsequent updates, which are usually faster. When the process completes, Lovable will provide a live URL. Open it in a new tab to confirm everything is up and running. Do a quick post-publish check. Test your homepage, key subpages, and any forms. Try loading the site on mobile to confirm it's responsive and snappy. If you've connected a custom domain, give it a few minutes. If it doesn't appear right away, then refresh. Should you spot anything you want to refine, return to your project, make edits, and publish again. Your link stays the same, so updates are seamless. And that's it. Congratulations! Your Lovable website is live and ready to share. Keep your content fresh, republish when you make changes, and enjoy the peace of mind that hosting and security are handled for you. Thanks for watching, and happy publishing.